Hey guys, welcome to Lognips. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Hilton employee account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Hilton employee account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome and on the search bar, click over there and type in the address lobby.hilton.com like this and you turn enter and on the next and after that you'll be directed to the login page of the Hilton employee account like this, and over here you'll be required to enter your user ID like this, and after entering your user ID click on enter, and after that you'll be required to enter your password over here with which you had created an account on Hilton employee. But if you have forgotten your password, you can simply click on forgot password button available over here to go through a procedure to retrieve or reset your Hilton account's password. With that being said, if you have not yet signed up for the lobby or the Hilton, with that being said, if you have not yet signed up for the Hilton account, you can always register for a Hilton account from over here, which is the new users. Click over there to go to sign up procedure of the Hilton employee. With that being said, guys, after entering your password, simply click on enter, and after that you'll be logged into your Hilton employee account from over here. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.